The aim of this video is to solve this question in trigonometry. If cos theta is equal to 0.34, then the value of tan theta is one of those 5 options. Firstly, I'll showcase how to do it with a calculator and then without. With a calculator, I first want to find the angle, so we need to backtrack cos. And the backtrack of cos is to say cos inverse of 0.34. Thereafter, I just put that theta that I've just worked out into tan theta. So I just go tan theta equal tan of cos inverse 0.34. And you just type it in like that into your calculator, and you will approximately get 2.8, which means the answer is B. But what if I want to do it without a calculator? Well, then I will draw a triangle. So when I draw a triangle, remember it's a 90-degree triangle. I've got the angle theta, and then you remember you have the hypotenuse, the opposite, the adjacent, and that cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now if I write that 0.34 as a fraction, it's 34 over 100, which can be simplified if I divide by 2 as 17 over 50, which means the hypotenuse is 50 and the adjacent is 17. So opposite is unknown, let's call it x. Then I can use Pythagoras, and I can say x squared equal 50 squared minus 17 squared using Pythagoras. Then you take your calculator and you work, not calculator, you just work out 50 squared, 2,500, and 17 squared, which is 289. And when I subtract them, you get 2211. So x is the square root of 2211. And the square root of 2211, you can't get that square root without a calculator. So when I want to work out tan theta, remember that is opposite over adjacent, and the opposite is then x, square root of 2211, and adjacent is 17. And you can check on a calculator, that will match about the 2.8, exactly the same answer. Thank you.